Well, Keith, how's the suit fitting today?
It's better today, thank you. Yes.
You're welcome.
So I think it was a stitching error is what it
Okay.
was. It was just not in there.
A stitching error.
It wasn't in there quite right. Today was very similar to yesterday. I felt like a little bit nicer. We were just lamenting in the break about the tough thing about this time of the year, no matter what the weather is, it's just the sunset time.
Yeah.
It's just like you look out right now and it's just like.
Feels like it's late at night.
Yeah, I feel like it's 10 p.m. is what it feels like. And it gives us more time to drop those temperatures too. We have these longer evenings, of course, peaking as we get into mid-December. But that'll have us down to about 20 to 25 along the coastline, 20 or so inland, and then some teens into the mountains and across northern Maine. We'll see some clouds come in late there. We talked about this ocean storm backing its way in over the last few days, but it's sequentially in kind of each computer model run got less intense and a little bit farther east. And so what that means is less of the moisture will make it into the state than originally forecast. Now initially tonight we're just clear for almost everyone. Temperatures again drop really rapidly. By the second half of the night into the early morning hours on Friday, we'll see some clouds come into down East Maine, into northern Maine, and it might be cold enough just at the beginning here on Friday morning to see some pockets of freezing drizzle, Washington County, maybe Hancock County, into Aroostook County as well. I don't think there's a lot of that going on, but there could be a little bit in the early morning hours. Eventually by, say, 8:39, it turns over to just rain showers. And notice these rain showers don't make it all the way across the state. So it's a split state forecast kind of right down the middle here. So western Maine and southern Maine, a pretty nice day. Central Maine, cloudy with an isolated sprinkle. And then the best chance of showers over down East Maine. The same setup applies for Friday night and into Saturday, where the nicest weather is off to our west, where maybe it's into the mid and even upper 50s. Meanwhile, there's a chance of showers over down east and northern Maine with a snowflake into the mountains. So I think for a lot of us, it is improved as far as the amount of sunshine the first half of the weekend, and there's a lot less rain in their total. So total rainfall amounts are not big, even if you're in the zone where we can see some showers, 0.2, 0.1. But this is a good visual depiction of how when you get to the west of Augusta, there's really a much lower chance of seeing any shower activity on Friday or Saturday. Here's that winter weather advisory. That's that isolated pocket of freezing drizzle. Again, I think the National Weather Service has issued this out of caution. I don't think that during the winter, January, February, that this would be worth a winter weather advisory, but it's still early in the season, so they want people to be aware of that. Just a quick update. Drought monitor comes out on Thursdays, and if you don't notice a difference, it's because there almost isn't one. We're still in moderate drought. There's just a little patch of severe drought down there into coastal New Hampshire. So overall, not bad. I mean, the weekend's not going to knock your socks off, but it's going to be okay. I think Sunday's the better of the 2 weekend days. And again, the farther west you are, the nicer it's going to be. The more down east you are, the more showers there are. But nothing crazy, no big snowstorms, which can happen this time of the year. So we'll get into late November without any major storms for now.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Still time to bust out a hat and gloves, though, it
Yes.
seems.
Oh, yeah. I felt like yesterday morning was the first time that I was really like, okay, like now I'm just being a tough guy for no reason. Like it's getting to that season for sure.
And end of the year.
Yep.
Yep. Thanks, Keith.